Hey, today I am talking about something special. These stocks traded at this moment $952. These stocks give today's return, which is 0.5%. In the last 5 days, these stocks give 0.8%. In the last 1 year, these stocks give more than 2%. In the last 6 months, these stocks give 2% negative return. These stocks lose market valuation. Year to date return, these stocks gain 11% market valuation, and 1 year's return, which is on an average is 0%. You can think about these stocks. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see how much return these stocks give in the last 5 years. 100% return these stocks give in the last 5 years, and maximum return, if you see, 10,000% return, approx more than 10%, 10,000% return. That means 107x return these stocks give to investor. Here you can see. And what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.